friends, welcome back to our channel Brainy Bunch. I hope you are safe and healthy during this pandemic. In this video, we're gonna discuss about string functions, subscript operators, slicing for substrings. String functions are four: length, min, max, str. In previous videos, we have seen about string method. I told you briefly about string methods. Now string functions. As we know that functions are independent and functions are calling by their name itself. len. In order to find the length of the string, the len function is used. It returns the number of items in an object. That syntax is len of s, where s is a sequence of list, tuple, dictionaries. After completion of explanation, I will show you a small examples on these string functions. You need to find the minimum character from a given string according to the ASCII value. To handle these situations, we can use min function. Syntax is same as len, min of string name, where next method is max, which returns the maximum characters from a string. The syntax is same as min, min of string name, whereas str. In many situations, we may need to convert integers or floats into a string. In order to do conversions, str function is used. Syntax same as all the functions, that is str of string name. Understand these functions briefly, let me explain you with small examples. In order to find the length of the string, I'm considered a string name as str and string as Brainy Bunch. To print the string using string name str, here the string is printed. Now len of string name is here I gave a string name is str, so str. Now it prints the length of the string. To find the minimum of the string, min of string name is str. Minimum function is used to display the minimum character from a given string. Here minimum is space, so it displays as space. Whereas max of string str, max character from the string is y, so it displays y. That is about string functions. Now subscript operator. Subscript operator is defined as square brackets. It is used to access elements of the string such as list, tuple and so on. If you want to obtain the index position of a character in the string, let us discuss a small example of subscript operator. Let me consider a string name as name and string is Brainy Bunch. Print the index position of a character in the string. Let me give a name as index. As we know that subscript operator is square brackets. Among the square brackets, I am representing a index here. Here every index starts from 0. So I am considering 0. Prints B. String starting character is B, so it represents as B. Now let me consider a name of 13. It represents error because the string consists of only 12 characters, that which means it ranges from 0 to 11. Let me consider a name of index 11. Then it represents H. Here the indexes start from 0 to 11 and with 11. Negative index. What about negative index? If you give negative as -1, then it prints H. This is how it represents, that is, positive indexes are from 0 to 11 and negative indexes from backside onwards it prints -1 to -12. Name of 7, then it represents Y. -7 represents the character of Y, so it results Y. After the completion of subscript operator, slicing for substrings. In many situations, you may need a particular position of a string. That is, first 3 characters of string, middle characters of string, or last characters of string. Python subscript operator uses slicing. As I told you how to use subscript operator, in slicing, colon is used and integer values will appear on either side of the colon. Let me consider small examples. You can understand briefly about slicing of substrings. Let me consider the name of the string as name and string name as Brainy Bunch. If you want to display the string using string name, it is possible. I'm displaying a string Brainy Bunch. Now slicing the first part of the string, that is want to print only Brainy. Using this slicing, it is possible. Subscript operator also used, so that is 0 to 5. It returns brain. Don't want to mention about the starting index of the string, that is name of name of colon to 6 is displays same as brainy. As you don't want to mention the ending indices, then you have to mention the starting indices. Index starts from 7, then it represents bunch. Whereas if you want to extract the middle of the string, that is space between the brainy and bunch, if you want to print the space 6 to 7, then it displays space. That means y indices is 6 and 7 as space, so it displays only space. If you want to print the reverse of the given string, then you, as I told you that it -1 represents backside onwards. If you give that a name colon colon -1, the string prints reverse. So up to -12 it returns. It reverses the string and print as reverse of Brainy Bunch. That's about the slicing for substrings. Thank you. Have a nice day.